So let's have a look at our first one. Stanley ate 9, oops, where's my pen? Stanley ate 9/10 of his pizza and Pedro ate 7/10 of his pizza. How much pizza did they eat altogether? Okay, so we can see that it's got the word and remember that and means plus. So we've got 9/10 plus 7/10. When we've got addition, they're on the same denominator. 9 plus 7 is 16. We want to change this to a mixed numeral. So how many times does 10 go into 16? It goes 1. And there's 6/10 left over. But we do know that I've got 6 over 10. And I can simplify 6 over 10. So that becomes 1. And, well, 2 goes into 6 3 times. And 2 goes into 10 5 times. So I'm going to have 1 and 3 pips pizza left. Okay, now next one. Matthew has 8 pencils. 3 of them do not have erasers on the end. What fraction of the pencils do not have erasers? So we're looking for the word. We're looking for the word of, and of means times. So it's 8 times, and we said 3 of them do not have. So we want 3 of them do not. So what fraction? Right, let's go back. So we don't want a times, do we? We want, there's going to be 3 out of 8. So what fraction of pencils do not have pencils? So we've got 3 out of 8. That's a dumb question. Right, Gabe was barely 2 3/5 years old. He spent a third of his life, so again, a third of his life, sleeping or crying. How much of his short life has Gabe spent either sleeping or crying? So you think, is it a plus? Is it a minus? Is it a times? Is it a divide? Well, we can see here we've got how much of his life. So it's actually a times. Now when I'm doing multiplication, I know that I need to have them all as improper fractions. So let's put this one to an improper fraction. We said 5, remembering how I did this one, 5 times 2 plus 3. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus the extra 3/5 is 13 over 5 times 1 over 3. So here we're going to go 13 times 1 is 13, and 5 times 3 is 15. So he spent 13/15 of his life crying. So, that's a lot of time crying. Right, so this is what fraction he has spent. So that's actually a year. That's a lot of crying. Okay, let's have a look one. Kylie finds a third of her birthday cake in the fridge. She eats 2/3 of this amount. So she's got this cake, right? And this is the cake all the way around here. So she finds a third of her cake. So this is all gone. So this is a bit here that she finds. She then eats 2/3 of this amount. So this is what she found. So then she ate 2/3 of that amount. So we want to know how much of the cake she's got left. So if we're looking at that, she had a third left. And we said of this amount. Of was times. So this is 2 on 3. So when we're doing multiplication, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So I've got 2/9 of my cake left. Let's have a look at another question. Sarah needs a third of a cup of flour to make 1 apple pie. If she made 9 apple pies, how much flour did she need? Well, this one here we want a third for 1. So we want 9. So we're going to say 9 times a third. Now when we're multiplying by whole numbers, as though we've got a little 1 here. 9 times 3 is 9. No, sorry, 9 times 1 is 9, and then 1 times 3 is 3. But how many times does 3 go into 3? Well, 3 goes into 3 times. 1, so it's 3. Okay, hope that helped. Bye.